Nature has a way of claiming what we leave behind. The earth swallows our memories layer by layer, year by year. But beneath the moss and the mud, a legend sleeps. The Plymouth Hemi Cuda, a forgotten king of the muscle car era. The roots and thick clay fight back, refusing to surrender the wheels. A shovel and high-pressure water start to break the earth's grip. Deep underneath, the iron is hooked, bracing for the final pull. The forest held it captive for decades. It doesn't want to let go, but today, the earth gives back its prize. The first step is a purge, washing away the weight of the wilderness, slowly revealing the scars of a life left out in the cold. Inside, the damage is deep. The cabin is a graveyard of leaves and rot. To save this machine, we have to break it down completely. Decades of grime lift off the vinyl. The interior takes a violent but necessary shower, washing away the ghosts of the past. Popping the trunk feels like opening a sealed tomb. Underneath, the high-pressure wash fights a war against decades of hardened mud. We strip off the classic wheels to expose the true toll of the jungle. The brakes are completely fused, a solid, immovable mass of iron and rust, locked in a permanent, lifeless grip. The old exhaust crumbles as we unbolt it. A cascade of dead rust crashes to the floor. And then, the hood. As it finally lifts, it drops a waterfall of dead leaves, revealing a complete graveyard inside the engine bay. We vacuum away the heavy debris, clearing the stage for what comes next. The battery is nothing but a block of acid and decay. The fuel tank bleeds out its toxic, rusted water. To free the rear axle, we have to bring the heat. Fire and force are the only language this old metal understands. Black, lifeless fluid drips from the suspension. The radiator empties its muddy veins. Even the nervous system, the wiring harness, is chewed up, brittle, and holding on to its final breath. The heart of the beast, suffocated, frozen, and tired. The time has come to separate the soul from the steel. We strip away the decay to find honest metal. Fire and wire stitch the wounds of the past, building a new foundation, stronger than before. The brutal grinding leaves the metal smooth. We wipe away the last traces of its forgotten past. Now, the healing truly begins. A thick protective coat of primer seals the raw steel, a permanent shield against the elements that once tried to destroy it. Thousands of pounds of pressure force the new bushings into their heavy iron sockets. We pump fresh, golden grease straight into the joints. It's the new lifeblood for a flawless ride. But the rear axle still holds onto the past. The differential surrenders its dark, ruined oil. Every single gear is scrubbed clean, erasing decades of friction and wear. A sleek black cover is bolted on, locking the power safely inside. A dual exhaust system is bolted tight, ready to roar. Fresh rubber meets polished chrome rims. Meanwhile, the old engine block is cracked open, revealing a nightmare of congealed sludge. The block takes a boiling chemical bath, stripping away the grease of a lifetime. Cylinders are honed to a perfect crosshatch. The crankshaft shines like a mirror, and fresh pistons slide home. The heart is rebuilding its strength. Piece by piece, the organs are restored, and the iconic Hemi Orange returns, a promise of the power that is about to wake up. The Hemi Orange block meets the chassis. The Torque-a-Flight transmission is locked into place. New wiring is wrapped tight. The radiator is mounted, and fresh copper lines are hand-bent to perfection. New fluids flow like fresh blood. The moment of truth. The beast breathes again. A rhythm lost to time finally finds its voice. Bare metal is never perfect. We apply the filler, spreading it like clay. Then, the rhythmic sound of block sanding, back and forth, until the curves are completely seamless to the touch. fresh coat of armor, the classic green and black lines turning a rusted shell back into a masterpiece of American muscle. The tape peels back, revealing the sharp, aggressive lines. We wet sand the clear coat to knock down any flaws, followed by the heavy buffer. The paint wakes up, glowing deep and vibrant, while the chrome is brought back to a blinding shine. A pneumatic stapler secures the rich black leather. Fresh carpet is carefully cut and laid across the floors. The wood grain dash is wiped clean, resetting the clock to 0. The beast is finally whole. From a forgotten grave in the mud to a mirror finish under the lights. It's no longer a ghost of the past. The legend is reborn.